So today I'm about to show you how to post to Facebook via N8N. First, go to developers.facebook.com, create a new business app, add a privacy policy URL into the settings, and toggle the app mode from development to live, navigate the tools, open the Graph API Explorer, add the Pages Manage Post permission, and generate your page access token. Remember to run this token through the access token debugger to extend its expiration date to 2 months so your workflow doesn't break. Next, open your N8N canvas and drag in the native Facebook Graph API node. Click into the node, create a new credential block, and paste your extended access token straight into the field to connect your page securely. Finally, set the node parameter to me and the edge parameter to feed. Map your content text variable from your trigger node straight into the message parameter box and hit execute to publish your post instantly. And that's it. That's how to post to Facebook via N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.